Okay, good afternoon. Am I audible? Just check whether my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
63, Sohel, am I audible? 63, Sayyad. One, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 36,
Yes, sir.
am I audible? Have you solved this problem?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer? This problem was given for homework. What we were supposed to find? Have you solved this? Just check any electrical. This problem only I have given yesterday. 38.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you solved this?
Yes, sir.
What is answer?
Tension is 23.33 Newton.
Tension is equal T is equal to 23.33
33 Newton.
Newton. What is
And
value of
P is equal to 15.23 Newton.
15.23? Very good, correct. 15.23 Newton. It was given for homework. Have you solved 36? Have you solved? Actually, I was expecting from you 36. Or you have not solved? $70.
Yes, sir.
Have you got answers?
Yes, sir. Same
Or is
answers.
it same answers? Or is it necessary to solve once again?
So,
No, sir.
Not necessary? Huh?
No, sir.
no,
No, sir.
22 नाही 23.
Sorry. 23. 23. Okay. This is 23, no? Okay, 23.33. Which theorem you have applied? Lami's theorem.
Lami's.
So
Lami's theorem.
when we are applying Lami's theorem while solving the problem, when
Three forces are given.
when three forces are given, but what is condition to apply the Lami's theorem?
Forces are concurrent.
When? What is the condition?
Concurrent, sir.
Forces are concurrent.
Three forces are concurrent.
Give me. Give me.
सॉरी बरं का सकाळी पाठी इथे दुसरं गेलतो बरं त्याच्यामुळे मला लक्ष दिलं
Three concurrent forces. Is it correct? When there will be a three concurrent forces, then we can apply Lami's theorem. Shall I give one more problem? Actually, I was waiting. Students are joining still. So, whether you have solved the test, yesterday test?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
How was the test?
Easy, sir.
Easy, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
So what was new in that test? Something was new? So in any one of the lecture, we will discuss that test also. So what was the nature of test? 4 to 5 problems I have introduced in that test, which are a little higher level difficulty. Means if your concepts are clear, you can it is very easy to solve that questions. For example, I have introduced one question of pentagon. So have you came across that question, pentagon? One pentagon was there, no, something.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what you were supposed to find internal angle, suppose. So how to find internal angle of pentagon? So one
2n
formula.
minus
Very good. 2n minus 4 into
90.
into 90. It will give total angle. Total. Okay. So here it will put n is equal to for pentagon.
5.
5.
So what this answer come? 2 minus 6, 540.
540.
540. As it is a pentagon, divide by
5.
5.
5. So what it is coming? 0, 108.
108.
108 and remaining 2 angles that were equal. So likewise, we will discuss. So intentionally, I have kept 2 to 3 questions. Likewise, where your concept I am going to check. So once I will display the result, that time we will see. If you will get more than 15 mark, more than 15, I will say you are at right track, or you are understanding the things very. We can say you are at good level. If you are getting more than 15. I'm not expecting 20 out of 20 also, because some questions I have intentionally introduced a little higher difficulty level. But more than 10 and between 15, you should get the marks. If your score is below 10, so you should contact me at that level. Okay. So that test marks I will display very soon. So intentionally I have kept such test. Again, we will take 1 or 2 tests once this chapter will be at the end. That we will take 1 more test. Okay. So likewise, questions will be there. So your concepts will be checked, nothing else. And your geometry, I was asking always, geometry should be very perfect to finding out angles, distances, etc. Along with taking consideration into sign convention. So shall we go next problem?
Yes, sir.
Next problem, huh? Can anybody read for me? I am unable to read here. Calculate. What is this?
Calculate tension in the string AB and BC if a weight 200 Newton is attached by 2 strings as shown in following figure.
As shown in following figure, we are supposed to find tension. That's all. And a particular weight 200 Newton is attached here. So again, it is very simple problem. So whatever tension means away from the point. Always we have to keep in mind, tension means away from the point, or we can say pulling load. Likewise, it should be. So by how much weight is attached for the string AC and BC? Sorry, AB and BC.
200
Newton.
200 Newton. Again, very simple. How much it is? 200 Newton means if W is equal to 200 Newton, W is equal to 200 Newton. Now, so how many forces will come? If you will see free body diagram of given force system, if I will see here, FBD of given force system, what will be that? How it will be? So there is 1 point. What name I should give? B. Already it is there, B. So from this there is one force. Again, vertically, always we have to keep in mind. Whenever there is a weight, that weight how it will act? Weight vertically,
Horizontal.
horizontally,
Vertical, sir.
vertically,
Downward.
vertically, exact vertically downward it will act. So point B is here. I will give B. Here let us say C and A, and here W. So 3 forces are there. Whenever 3 forces will come into picture, we know we can apply which theorem? Lami's theorem. It is very easy. Now, if you will consider a triangle ABC, so 2 angles are given, 30, 60. What about this angle? Very simple.
90.
90.
degree.
It will be 90 degree. So this will be 90 degree. Our job is to not only find to this angle, also we want to find this angle between this tension AB. So for this I will give name as a TAB, tension AB. For this I will give name as a TBC, T for tension, BC, string BC, and this W is already there. If I want to find angle between tension AB and this W, how I can find?
120, sir.
1
120.
120. One answer is 120. How?
Sir,
90 plus
alternate
30.
angle is
120.
30 degree and
Very
below
good.
is
So-
90
Another is
degree.
90 degree.
Very good. From the given figure, what we can do from point B,
Horizontal line draw.
we can draw horizontal line. From point B, we can draw horizontal line like this. Okay. So alternate angle, you are knowing, very nice. So this will be, what will be this angle?
30.
30 degree. This will be 30 degree. What about this? What will be this angle?
60.
60.
60.
60 degree.
60.
And 60, and this is perpendicular because it is vertical. We have drawn horizontal line and weight is always acting vertically. So now it is very easy. So angle between tension AB. Have you understood? These are alternate angles.
Yes.
Okay. So what will be this angle then? Tension AB and W. 90 plus
30.
30.
90 plus 30. How much it will be?
120.
120.
120. What about this angle?
150.
150
50.
degree. Now three angles are known to us now. We got three angles. Now apply Lami's theorem. Now very simple. Apply Lami's theorem. Now finding out angle is only challenging. Apply Lami's theorem. So what it will be? How tension AB. Tell me now. Tension AB divided by
Sin
what it will
150.
come?
Sin 150.
Sin 150.
Sin 150.
150.
150.
Sin 150 equal to tension in, suppose BC I want to find. Tension in BC divided by
Sin 150.
Sin 120.
sin 120, angle between remaining two and sine of that. Then W upon
Sin 90.
W upon sin 90. Now it is very easy to calculate now. Tension AB and tension BC you can calculate and try to tell the answers. So if I will write here, therefore comparing first and second term, tension AB, calculate now. Tension AB is equal to W, we are having 200 Newton
100.
100,
divided
sir.
100.
100.
100.
100.
sin 90 into sin 150. How much it is?
100.
100 Newton.
Very good. 100 Newton is the answer. What about tension BC? If I will write tension BC is equal to same formula 200
173.
173.
73.20.
sin 90 into sin 120. Sin 120, nothing else.
173.20.
173.20.
173.20.
20
20.
Unit will be
Newton.
Newton.
Newton. So these are the two answers. Very simple. So in our multiple choice question, if this is given, so actually this is not 1 mark question, but 3 to 4 marks depending upon our subject. Not it is lengthy, only finding out the angle is your basic should be there. So alternate angle, if this particular AB line is making 30 degree with horizontal at top side, similarly it will make 30 degree at the bottom side also. Any problem? 35.
No, sir.
No, have you got?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted down?
No, sir. Screenshot केला है.
And what you are doing afterwards? Taking screenshot afterwards?
Write in notebook.
Okay, you are writing in notebook. So you should write in notebook. Otherwise, at the end, when our exam will come, at that time you should not be, I will say, blank. You should not be blank. Where is the notes? Where are the problems, etc. So you should be able to write in notebook. Have you understood very
Yes,
simple
sir.
problem? 3 forces.
sir.
We have applied
Yes, sir.
Lami's theorem.
Yes, sir.
Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
Yes.
Shall we go next? Shall I erase this?
No, sir.
Next. Can anybody read again? Please help me today. I don't have my mobile with me. I can't read. Calculate tension induced in the cable. What is next?
Used for assembly as shown in figure. Following figure, W is equals to
How much? 1500 Newton.
Newton, yes, sir.
Calculate the tension induced in the cable. Like this, no? Calculate the tension. Again, we want to find the tension only, nothing else. We want to find tension only. And here W is also given 1500. So again, tension B, same problem, a little change, nothing else. Same problem, a little change. What can be done now? Just check what can be done in solution. How much W is given?
1,000.
1500 Newton.
1500.
Okay, 1500 Newton. Now, so at point B, three forces are there which are in concurrent. So pull will be something like this, pull or pulling force, I will say like this. So if I will draw FBD, what stands for FBD?
Free body
Body
diagram.
diagram.
FBD of given force system. FBD of given force system. So point B, how weight is applying or how we are showing weight in FBD vertically?
Downward.
Downward.
Downward direction.
Vertically downward. From this point again, which here it is a B. Okay, so here point C, and here point A. Here point A. So I will say meanwhile for this tension AB, tension BC. Similarly, tension BC and tension AB. Now we want to find angle between this. It is very easy. Is it possible? What will be the angle between both the tensions, tension AB and BC?
110.
110.
diagram.
110. So
Yes,
here
sir.
at point A, this vertical line, what will be this angle?
50.
50. And if we are going to complete this, suppose triangle ABC. So two angles are known for triangle ABC. Which are they?
50 and
A and
20.
C. So what will be this angle?
110.
110. So shall I write here 110?
Yes.
How, sir?
Yes, sir.
See, this 40 angle is given with the vertical. This 40 angle, are you observing at point A? 40. So
Yes, sir.
this remaining will be 50 because this is total is 90. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now similarly here it will come 110. Now from point B, our regular method. So we can draw what we will draw here?
Horizon.
Horizontal line.
Horizontal line. Here I will draw one horizontal line at point B. So what will be this angle?
50.
50. What is the reason?
Alternate angles.
Alternate angle.
Alternate angle is the reason. So what will be the angle between tension AB and W?
140.
140. 90 plus
50.
90 plus 50, 140. Similarly, what will be this angle at point B? So where my cursor is there?
20.
20,
Yes, sir.
20. So what will be total angle between tension tension BC and W?
110.
110.
110,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
110, 10 degree. Three angles are known to us. Apply Lami's theorem. Very simple again. Apply Lami's theorem. So what will be that? Who will tell? Tension AB.
तर ती A angle 50
By sin 110, sir.
काय झालं? A.
ते 50 डिग्री सर कसं आलं A angle?
कारण हा व्हर्टिकल आहे ना, व्हर्टिकल बरोबर 40 केलाय, मग हॉरिझॉन्टल इथं 90 डिग्री आहे, टोटल 90 आहे. हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन आणि व्हर्टिकल इथं 90 आहे टोटल.
बरोबर आहे.
आलं लक्षात?
हा आलं.
टेन्शन AB. नाउ अप्लाय Lami's theorem. So tension AB. What tension AB divided by what will be that? Sine of what?
110.
Sin 110.
Sine
110.
1
110 equal to tension BC divided by
Sin 140 degree.
sin 140 equal to W upon sin
110.
Sin 110.
sin 1110 110 or 110 something. So calculate now. So this last term totally we are knowing, means W is knowing, sin 110 is also knowing. So we can calculate tension in AB. Therefore
1500, sir.
1500.
1500.
tension AB, tension BC. So is it necessary to write W is how much? 1500 divided by
1500.
Sin 110.
sin 110 into
Sin
into
Sin 100.
Sin 100.
100.
it will get cancelled, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
automatically
Yes,
it
sir.
will become 1500 Newton. Okay, next tension BC again 1500 divided by sin
Sin
110 into sin 140. Sin
1026.
ha
1026.
1026.
1026.
1026.86.
06.
ha 1
0.
1026.
ha
26.
0.06.
0.06.
06.
0.06 is the correct answer. Very good. This is the answer for tension AB, tension BC. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Shubham 16?
No, sir.
No? It is very easy. Whenever there are three forces, this Lami's theorem is most important in our mechanics, we will say. Whenever there are three concurrent forces, easily we can solve the problem. Easily. Okay. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
problem? Shall I erase this?
Yes.
Let us see what is next. Now see the problem. So what is there? So what the problem? I will go a little back now. So before the string problem, we went to such problems where there was a single cylinder. And what we were doing? We were finding out the reaction at their contact surfaces. Such problems we have seen where there was a single cylinder or sphere, I will say. There was a single cylinder or sphere. Such problems we have solved. In all problems, what was that? There was a single, I will say, single cylinder or single sphere. Now we are going to see problem which will consist of two cylinders or two spheres. Now most challenging problem from this chapter, I will say. Most challenging problem from this chapter. So what we were doing? Simply we were finding out the reaction and how will be the reaction perpendicular to that surface. Reaction is that perpendicular to that surface. We were applying our Lami's theorem and we were finding. Similarly, whatever problems we are going to see now, in this problem also, instead of one cylinder or one sphere, there will be instead of one cylinder, there will be two, I will say how much? Two cylinders or two spheres. So what we can do in this, you can apply separate Lami's theorem for first cylinder, Lami's theorem for second cylinder, and you can solve the problem likewise. So first problem, which consists of two cylinders, can anybody read for me? Again, I'm checking who are attending sincerely. So randomly I
Two
will take-
smooth spheres, each of
read. Swarali, you read. 43.
two smooth sphere, each of radius 200 millimeter and weight 200 kilonewton, rest in a horizontal channel having vertical walls. The distance between is 750 millimeter. Find the pressure at EFG.
So two spheres are there. What is its radius? 200 meter. So I'm what radius is
Yes,
given?
sir, 200 mm.
How much? 200.
Millimeter.
100
Millimeter.
Okay, 200 millimeter means radius is given 200 millimeter. Again, what is given? Weight is given for both cylinder spheres.
200 kilonewton.
200 kilonewton.
चार्जिंग संपली.
W equal to W2 equal to how much? 200
Yes, sir.
Yes.
200 kilonewton.
kilonewton or Newton.
Kilonewton.
Kilonewton.
Actually, it should be Newton, no? Because in diagram it is Newton. So I will take Newton. So it may be something wrong there. Newton we will take. 200 Newton is given in problem, and then horizontal distance is also knowing. Okay. Now, if you'll see the problem, what actually this word is used as a pressure, but pressure. Okay, but at the contact surface we are supposed to find reaction. Pressure means, in other words, it is called as, in other words, it is asked as a pressure, but we want to find its reaction. And what it is told, these vertical walls are there. This vertical at the end, vertical walls, then at this middle wall, like this it is there. So is it now from where we will start this problem? So if I will consider free body diagram of first cylinder, so it's cylinder or sphere, first sphere. So sphere A and sphere B. If I will consider FBD, have you understood problem first? What we are supposed to find? FBD of cylinder 1, I will say here. FBD of cylinder.
Sphere, sir, sphere.
Sphere.
Sorry. Sphere. FBD of first sphere. Huh? FBD of first sphere means, suppose this point A. So suppose something a sphere. If I will try to draw something sphere like this. Okay. Then what will be the reaction at point E? Vertical, horizontal, how it will be? So at point this, how it will be reaction at point E? Horizontally or vertically?
Horizontal.
Horizontally.
Yes.
So it will be something called, we will say it as a horizontal reaction. Okay. Then what about this vertical reaction at point F? It will be vertical.
Vertically down.
Downward or upward?
Downward.
Downward.
Downward or upward? Reaction.
Upward.
Reaction upward, sir.
I am asking reaction only.
Reaction upward. Upward and
Upward.
Reaction will be?
Upward.
Reaction will be upward. So I will say here RF and here RE. So again from this point one reaction is there. So for this it is what I will say. I will say it as a RAB something. RAB because it is common between these two. So angle between reaction E and reaction F, what will be the angle?
90 degree.
90 degree. Okay. That is 90 degree. Now our task is to find angle between reaction F and reaction AB. How it can be found out now? How we can find the angle between reaction F and reaction AB? Hello. How we can found? Looking to the diagram. First you have to see very carefully diagram. How we can found? Can anybody guide me how we can find the angle? Apply the logic, because such type of problem, your logic, your knowledge should be there. You should be able to apply the logic. How can we find the angle between reaction F and reaction AB? Can anybody, let it be wrong or correct, etc. At least somebody should guide me.
So angle ABC triangle.
ABC ट्रँगल कुठून कसा काढायचा? बरोबर आहे. हा, who was telling? ऋषिकेश or who? अभिजित or Shubham? I want to find angle. So what I will do? See here. What I will do? From point A, I will draw horizontal line, and from point B, I will draw vertical line. What I am doing? From point A, I will draw horizontal line. Okay, like this. And from point B, I will draw vertical line. And what name I should give here? Huh?
C.
Okay, point C, I will give name as a point C. Okay, now from triangle ABC, which distances you are knowing, or which distances you can calculate from triangle ABC?
AB.
AB is known to us
Yes. sir.
because AB is known because it is addition of two radius. Okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
What about
Yes.
whether it is possible to calculate BC or AC, any other? Apply the
AB 400 mm होते sir.
AB correct, 400. It will come 400. Addition of two radius. There is very correct. What about BC and AC? If we will able to find at least AC or BC, we can find angle at A and B.
45.
Huh?
BC 200 mm.
How come?
BC 200 mm.
No,
Radius.
No, it is that distance is coming below radius. It is not at the radius. So what is given? So you can use
Angle
this.
A45.
No. It is not 45. See here. This 750 distance is given here. See 750. So whether you can use.
350.
How?
750 minus 400.
Very good. Correct. 750 because this total is 750. This horizontal distance from this side 200. See this 200 and this side 200. You can minus. So what will be the remaining side? AC.
Yes, sir.
Now horizontal distance किती दिले? Horizontal distance 750. 750. What I have did from point A, I have drawn horizontal line. From point B, I have drawn vertical line. So from this one radius, इकडची radius गेली, या सिलेंडरची इकडची radius गेली. राहिली किती मध्ये?
350.
350. जर आपल्याला या ट्रायंगल मधले AB आणि AC जर माहित झाले तर आपण अँगल कुठला काढू शकलो? If I will apply sin, काय म्हणतोय बघा, AB 400
B सुद्धा निघू शकतो.
400 ह्याच्या AB मध्ये काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. AC किती आलाय आपलं? 350 ना?
Yes, sir.
350. Now in triangle ABC, if I will apply sin of B, sin B काय येईल? Sin B, what will be sin B?
Upon 400.
AC upon AB.
AC upon AB. AC माहिती, AB माहिती. Is it possible to calculate B? So I will write here in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 200 plus 200. हे का घेतलं 200 लक्षात आलं का तुमच्या? Both radius. AC is equal to 750 minus किती करणार मी? 750 minus 750 काय लक्षात आलं का? What is this 750?
Distance.
Total horizontal distance minus how much?
400.
Either you can make 400 or minus 200 minus 200. It will be
Minus
350.
350. Okay, this and this we know. Now, so here I will write sin of B. Sin of B is equal to how? What is that?
AC upon AB.
AC upon AB.
AC upon AB. AB. So which implies B is equal to sine inverse. Calculate and tell me what is this sine inverse of
61 degree.
61.04.
0.875.
how much? 60?
61.04.
1.04.
61.04.
61.04.
This will be the angle B.
04.
What about angle A? Intriangle ABC. Hence angle A. Calculate angle A in triangle ABC. What will be that?
BC upon AB.
No. Now three angles are known. No, one is 90. B is known to us. Directly you can calculate A. In triangle ABC.
29.06.
Huh? 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 minus 60. 1.04.
04.
What will be that angle A?
29.06.
29.96.
How much? How much?
29.0.
29.06.
29.
0.96.
29.96.
29.96.
Something is
96.
28. 28, sir. 28, sir.
28, sir.
28, sir.
Why you are telling 29 then? 28.96
96.
degree. Okay. So this angle A, this angle is B. What about? So what was we want to find? So what will be the angle between this now? Reaction F and reaction AB. What will be this angle then? So this angle, see here in diagram, I want to find this angle then. What will be this angle? We have to add what angle?
90 plus
90 plus 20.
28.96.
Very good. 90 plus 28.96.
96.
118.9.
100.
18.96.
118.96.
118.96. Like this we can find the angle. Okay. Have you understood?
Yes,
So-
sir.
Yes.
Now, is it possible to apply now Lami's theorem? Just check. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Where? Whether we can apply?
At point A.
At point A. What we can do now? So this angle is known. So this angle is known for B now. Just check for B. For how many unknowns are there? RE is unknown. RAP is unknown. Even RAB is also not known. So at this stage only we have found the angles. What about this at RB? Let us say at RB. How many angles we can know now?
2, sir.
So if we will draw a free body diagram of sphere B, how many unknowns will be there? 2. Here 3 unknowns are there. That's why we have to proceed for free body diagram of second sphere, B sphere, I will say. B sphere. What will be that? Just check. So there is point B, suppose. Horizontal reaction will be, which is horizontal reaction? R, G. Okay, vertical reaction is 200, no?
Yes, sir. 200.
200. And this is, from this again there is a reaction. So what is this angle we have calculated? RAB
118.96.
100. No, this angle B
61.04.
0.06.
16.04, angle B
61.04.
61.04. From this, now if we will apply, now आता एवढीच figure बघा ही this whatever I have right now, in that two unknowns are there, RAB and RG. So as this cylinder is in equilibrium, as this cylinder is in also equilibrium, so if I will, what should apply, summation fx or summation fy, so that I will get RAB. सिलेंडर बी हा इक्विलिब्रियम ला आहे, माझ्याकडे 3 फोर्स आहेत, RAB, RG आणि ही 200 व्हर्टिकल. तर मी इथं समेशन fx अप्लाय करावं का समेशन fy अप्लाय करावं म्हणजे मला RAB मिळेल. किंवा इन अदर वर्ड्स आय विल आस्क, इन विच केस दिस RG will not come, summation fx or summation fy?
Summation
Summation
fy.
FY.
Summation fy. If I will apply summation fy, this RG will not come. So if, now tell me, apply summation
FY.
fy is equal to 0. So what it will be for this particular figure only? So whether 200 will be plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. What is the y component of this RB force? RB force.
Minus.
Again it will be minus. RAB sin or cos?
Cos.
RAB cos.
61.04.
RAB cos
61.04.
61.04. Calculate then RAB. Calculate RAB. RAB किती येते बघा, याला इकडे घ्या आणि -200 डिवाइड बाय cos 61.4.
minus 413.
Minus
0.05.
413.
430.
13.
Yeah,
0.05.
13, sir.
13. 13, sir.
Minus 401.
3.
Point
05.
0.05 Newton. So RAB जे काय आलेला आहे, if it is minus means this direction is downward, that's why it is showing. म्हणजे आपण जे assume केलेली डायरेक्शन आहे ते डाउनवर्ड ला असेल, actually that direction is upward if you will take plus sign. Upward. So RAB is known to us now. RAB. So direction is upward. This force will be something like, reaction will be like this. Then we have to take positive. आपण इथे assume काय केले, RAB downward ला assume केलं होतं म्हणून ते negative आलं. So actually it is going upward and this is going downward like this. Actually असं आहे ते RAB. So if sign will come minus means it is acting opposite likewise. So if you will take direction in upward direction, then it will be positive. The sign we are knowing this. Okay, now so from this, is it possible to calculate now? If I will apply to find RG now, RG. Which theorem we have to apply now to find RG? So RG, how we can find RG? By applying Lami's theorem. RG divided by sine of
61.04.
Sine of 61.04 equal to, we want to find which force? RG. So 200 divided by किती करणार मग, 200 divided by 90 plus 61.4. Calculate करा fast. 91 plus 61.4.
151.04.
90 plus 61.04.
151.04.
Sign of 151
ची व्हॅल्यू पण काढता येत होती ना लॅमिस थेरमनी
कशाची
RAB ची
हो
मग आपण
आरजी नो आरजी माहित नाही ना आपल्याला दॅट्स वाय कॅल्क्युलेट आरजी
RAB ची पण तशीच काढली असती
कशी
RAB ची
कुठं
लॅमिस थेरम येत होती
कुठं आयदर ऑर मग पहिल्यांदा तुम्हाला आरजी ची काढावं लागली असते फ्रॉम दिस कॅल्क्युलेट आरजी
RG ची काय गरज नाही.
सर गरज नाही RG ची काढायची
नाही विचारलंय ना द प्रेशर ऍट EFG आरजी
पण
ऑल्सो
RAB ची काढताना RG ची काय गरज आहे
आरएबी ची काढताना आरजी ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला क्वेश्चन मध्ये विचारली आरजी इन द सेन्स रिएक्शन ऍट जी वी हॅव आस्क्ड
वेट दिलंय त्याच्यावर काढता येतात असं म्हणतात ते.
हा
कसं हा पण आपल्याला क्वेश्चन मध्ये जी पण विचारलंय ना आरजी आणि आरएबी ची आपल्याला पुढचा प्रॉब्लेम हा खालच्या ए सिलेंडर साठी अप्लाय करताना आरएबी लागतोय
मग सर लॅमिस थेरमनी का काढली नाही
कुठली
RAB
RAB.
कारण आरजी अननोन आहे सध्या कारण लॅमिस थेरम मध्ये
RG चा काय संबंध आहे RAB काढताना
हा डब्ल्यू अपॉन यू आर सेइंग दॅट नो दॅट इज ऑल्सो ओके हा ते सुद्धा ओके आहे म्हणजे डब्ल्यू अपॉन तुम्ही म्हणता की हेच वापरलं असतं तर ठीक झालं असतं 200 डिवाइड बाय साइन 151.04 हे ना
साइन 151.04 कसं आलं सर
हे 90 इथलं 90 हे 200 आणि आरजी मधलं 90 आणि हे 61 ऍड केलं आपण 61.04 प्लस
200 घेताना त्याच्या ऑपोजिट अँगल असते ना ते RAB चा आणि RG मधला
आर ए कुठलं म्हणताय दोन्ही मधला 200 च्या वेळेला पण घेतोय 200 न्यूटन इन बिटवीन अँगल किती आरएबी चा आणि आरजी मधला अँगल किती आरजी ची व्हॅल्यू काढा बरं किती ते आरजी
361.40.
361.40.
361.40
40. Yes, yes.
हा नाव इट इज ओके मगाशी जे कोण म्हणत होता ना लॅमिस थेरम ही आपल्याला टर्म माहित होते ती सुद्धा चाललेली असते आणि हे सुद्धा समेशन एफ एक्स समेशन एफ वाय इज ऑल्सो ऍप्लिकेबल दिस इज ऑल्सो ऍप्लिकेबल नो इश्यू नाउ इज इट पॉसिबल टू कॅल्क्युलेट RE RB is known and RF for cylinder A so now space is not with me RE for cylinder from cylinder B all values are known to us all values are known to us now apply the Lami's theorem in cylinder 1 हाँ कैलकुलेट करता है आता so here one problem we have to seek while taking RF what care you are going to take RF RF ची व्हॅल्यू घेताना तुम्ही डायरेक्टली RF घेणार का -200 न्यूटन करणार while taking RF
-200 सर
-200 you have to do -200 आता बघा मी ते इक्वेशन लिहितो व्हॅल्यू काढून मला सांगा फक्त आता अँगल माहिती आहेत आपल्याला सगळे RE divided by sine of which angle sine of
118.96.
this 90 ha
8.96.
8.96 equal to RAB divided by which angle
Sin 90.
Sin 90.
sine 90 equal to RF only RF or -200 -200
-200.
divide by angle
Sin 151.
sine
151.
151
151.04.
0.96 plus 90
बरोबर
minus 360 how much कुठला अँगल घेता मिनिमम जर घेतला मिनिमम अँगल बिटवीन दिस टू फोर्सेस मिनिमम घेतला जर तर तो किती येतो मायनस येतो -151 कुठला घेता मिनिमम का मॅक्सिमम मिनिमम -151.04
सर मिनिमम घेतल्यावर मायनस कशाला
ठीक आहे 151 आता हे तुम्ही आरएबी ची जी साइन घेता त्याच्यावर डिपेंड आरएफ ची व्हॅल्यू काय येते ठीक आहे देन टेक पॉझिटिव्ह कारण आरएफ व्हॅल्यू आपण मानली कुणीकडे जाणार आहे कॅल्क्युलेट करा किती येत आहे कॅल्क्युलेट here I will tell RE value of RE calculation you go for calculation RE value is
-361.40
361.40 and RF is 400
मायनस येतोय की सर
RF is 400 RAB तुम्ही पॉझिटिव्ह घेतलाय का निगेटिव्ह RAB
नेगेटिव्ह
पॉझिटिव्ह घ्या कारण आपली साइन ते निगेटिव्ह का आलंय कारण आपण जे अज्युम केलंय त्याचं साइन डाऊनवर्ड ते डाऊनवर्ड नाही ते अपवर्ड आहे दॅट्स व्हाय इट इज निगेटिव्ह RAB पॉझिटिव्ह घ्या सय्यद 413 what which one
361.40
कॅल्क्युलेशन बघा बरं जरा have you noted down or once again you can solve clearly so here you can apply Lami's theorem or not no issue shall I give one problem for homework shall I give one problem for homework similar problem shall we solve tomorrow
yes sir
okay shall I erase this you note down answers afterwards you can calculate time is not with us now shall we give one problem मला आवाज कोणाचा वेगळाच येतो कोणाचा ऑडिओ चालू आहे जरा बघा बरं
अभिजित सुरशे
अभिजित सुरशेट
हा shall I give one problem
yes sir
actually these are the most complicated म्हणूया जरा प्रॉब्लेम थोडेसे लेंदी प्रॉब्लेम आहेत ते त्याच्यामध्ये